strong.
Hey guys, Lucian here, back for another video, and today's video, like the last one, was Pokemon. This one, more Crimson Vow. So we're gonna open up the booster box, not the booster box, the bundle box. And one of my favorite things with the bundle box is the dice. Now I have mixed feelings about the dice, and that didn't go all the way through. Excuse me, a sharp knife, please work. If I do it up here, that means I don't have to worry about ruining the invitation that's in this box. There we go. So, you know, all the sets we have little cards like Midnight Hunt was. We got Cycle of Innistrad. This time we have an invitation with a valid PO box that you can actually send to wizards, which is actually pretty funny, and the artwork used in this set is gorgeous. Because yeah, my box topper also has the actual set art, which actually looks really nice. Don't know what it was used for. I'll just pop that over here. Now, even this just looks amazing. The wizards always hire a bunch of little artists, but I really like the artists used in this set. Here's the dice. Not my favorite dice, but it's cool. Here are Enchantment promo card with our forward lands. Some like Magic Info cards and our packs. And I do have my trusty scissors. So in my in my booster box, we opened 5 mythics, which are pretty cool. And we have a nice swampland. And you don't always not guarantee really any mythics in bundle boxes. It's kind of like a lucky pool, really. Some showcase arts, and we have our first rare, Welcoming Vampire, and we have foiled Brumble Armor, and we have Time of Ice. I didn't see this card. Tap target creature an opponent controls. It doesn't untap during the control's up to so long as you control a Time of Ice. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Return all tapped creatures to their owner's hand. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I went down to my card shop and grabbed myself like the collector's packs, which actually are pretty cool. The artwork used for those packs are really cool. I've got so many of this, guys. So many of this. He's my most common uncommon cardboard. Ooh, double land for a rare. And Daybreak Combatants. And oh, token. What token? Human warrior, human soldier token. Do like to pull a token from time to time. the forest land, well, art, with a swamp underneath. Do I just go? Yeah. More werewolves, spirit. I don't think I pulled the showcase out of him yet. Kind of cool. Yes! Oh! Boys, I have the ring. I have the ring. Now I have the invitation, the clothes, the vehicle, the invitation, in real life too, and now I finally have the ring. So I'm gonna sleeve the ring in a bit. There's the bride's crown. No token. Yeah, I've still got some pink sleeves left, so the wedding ring is mine. That's probably, I'll take that as my first mythic of the day. Oh, this one's signed. This frog is signed. Don't know if you guys can actually see it. There you go. Yeah, you can see it's signed. Finally, the hunt for the ring has ended. Thank God. Rare and foil common. Spirit token. Well, I'm thinking that should go there. What? Reason why I'm actually clarifying, because when Wedding Ring enters the battlefield, if it was cast, target opponent or target opponent creature was cast, target opponent creature token. That's a copy of it. Oh, okay. Whenever the opponent who controls an artifact named Wedding Ring enters. Wedding Ring draws a card during their turn. You draw a card. Whenever an opponent who controls an artifact named Wedding Ring gains life during their turn, you gain that much life. Oh, we have a rare. Was it demanding vampires? As a rare, and we have another rare underneath. Spirit Warlock. Oh, it's this card. Okay, fair. I recognize it now. And an elemental doggo. Oh, doggo Zelly. I'll be happy. I'm happy. Pull the wedding ring. I'm pretty chuffed. Ooh, foiled swamp. I mean, that's our first foil swamp, foil land. What else can we pull? Can we pull another mythic? Ooh, rare. Oh, foil. Token? No. What we got? Yeah, 2 packs. Can we? Actually, fair. When I bought the collector's pack, I actually pulled the bride, the Crimson Bride, kind of showcase art, which is actually pretty cool. Oh, kind of grabbed 2 by mistake. And now we +1/+1 on 2 other type creatures. Okay. Here's our rare. Change of Fortune. And we a foil tree folk who looks like I'm replacing my common with this lovely foil. And token? No. Last pack. What can we get in our last pack? Well, we got mark off some sort. Can't remember his name. Oh, come on. What can we pull? Can we pull another mythic? I say that, we just pulled another mythic. Cemetery Protector. Flash, when Cemetery Protector enters the battlefield, exile a card from a graveyard. When you play a land or cast a spell, if it shares a type with the exiled card, create a 1/1 human token. So yeah, we pulled 2 mythics and a foiled Old Rusted. Oh, zombie token. Nice. So that's actually 4. Sleeve him up too, or her. It's a her, I remember. Both our mythics are white cards. That's kind of conspiracy. So yeah. So yeah, obviously highlighting the entire video. Bam. Ready. I do have plans for more videos. Well, there won't be any videos this week. Yeah, until next. There won't be a video till next week, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm kind of busy in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll try to upload more next week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.